Do I need an analytical balance or a top-loader balance? The type of balance you need depends on what application it will be used for. What is an analytical balance? Accuracy is an integral part of analytical balances, as they are often used to perform chemical analysis in laboratory applications. Because they are so sensitive and accurate, even a slight breeze can influence a weight reading. To prevent environmental interference, analytical balances are often designed with a weighing chamber, sometimes known as a draft shield. What is a top-loader balance? Top-loader balances are built with a weigh pan that rests on top of the base. They are not commonly designed with weighing chambers, but rather are loaded from the top, hence the name top-loader balance. As their design may suggest, top-loader balances have fewer divisions than analytical balances, but as a result, are often more affordable. Top-loader balances can be used in applications less dependent on extreme accuracy, such as food processing. Central Carolina Scale offers a comprehensive line of highly accurate analytical balances and top-loader balances designed to provide precise weighments for a range of applications.